Alright, got it all done yesterday evening. So, take her back this morning. We're going to take her back to this morning. Get ready for the week. Turned out pretty good. Pretty clean. It was a cool morning, a little windy, but not too bad. Clean up underneath there a little bit. Not too bad. Alright, that's it for now. Got a hot rod coming over later on today. We'll get a video of it, a couple videos of it probably. So. Alright, talk to you guys later.